Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be finishing the black custom dress that I was working on last week, and you guys are going to see me do the finishing touches, which includes adding the skirt, adding the boning, hemming everything, and then that's it basically. So today we're finishing up like I just said. So this is going to be probably a really quick video. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching. Before we get into it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you guys want to see more of this content. My next video, just as a little sneak peek, will be another custom design I'm working on, and I'm really excited about this one because it's also another one of my big clients that I've gotten recently. And the dress I'm making is really pretty. I'm also making 2 other pieces to go with it, but my main focus will probably be the dress that I'm making for it, so that'll be the next one. It's really exciting, and I can't wait to make more of these sewing videos for you guys. So without further ado, I'm gonna get right into it and we're gonna finish this dress. So the next step that I needed to do to finish this dress off was doing the facing, which I basically finished installing. All I had to do was hem the bottom of it, and then I just used her measurements to cut out the skirt, and from there I just sewed the skirt around the waistline. After this, I basically wanted to make sure it fit her well, so I ended up waiting until the next day because I was supposed to have a fitting with her anyways. Hey guys, okay, so I did what I could for today for this dress, and sorry for the light in the background. I need it to make all the lighting look good, so I'm gonna try to figure out a better place to put it. But anyway, so I did the bodice and attached it to the skirt. And it looks like, I'm trying to make it, okay. It looks like this, and this is the front of it, so it would be like that, if that makes sense. And then I attached the long skirt part to make it a dress, and then this is where I'm adding the zipper right here on the side. Added boning in, and I also added facing. I used satin for the facing, and then I also added a lining, which is just a knit fabric, and I wanted it to be comfortable, so I just did this knit fabric. And so the last thing I have to do, I just need her to try it on tomorrow, which is why I need her to come over. So she's coming over tomorrow morning to try this on so I can see how it looks on her body. I might need to add a little extra room because I feel like it might be a little bit tight on her, but I'm not sure yet, so we'll see when she tries it on. And then I just need to hem everything and add the zipper on the side, and that's it basically. So yeah, I think that's about it. So this is it for tonight. The next time you guys will see me will be me working on the rest of it after I have her try it on, and then you guys will see the final version of this dress. So I'm super excited for you guys to finally see how it all came out. I'm gonna have her send me pictures as well so I can show you guys how the whole outfit ended up looking when she went to her event. But yeah, I'm super excited, and that's it for right now, so I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just had my fitting with Anya, and the dress ended up looking really nice on her. Everything fits well. So now I'm finishing the dress, which means I just have to do the zipper, the hem, and I'm just gonna stitch up the slit a little bit more so that the lining isn't showing. So those are my last 3 steps, and then after that you guys will get to see the full look, how it looks in the dress form, and I'm also gonna have her send me some pictures of how it looks on her as well before she goes to her event, so you guys can see how it looks on like a real person with like the jewelry, the shoes, and all that. So I'm super excited. I can't wait for you guys to see the full outcome of this whole design. And yeah, so if you want to see how this dress turned out, definitely keep watching till the end, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also share to anyone that you might know that likes fashion videos, sewing videos, self-care, self-love videos, because those are the kind of videos I like to make. So without further ado, we're gonna get right into this dress so we can finish it. So the fitting went well, as you guys saw, and after that I just had 2 steps left, which was adding the zipper and then hemming everything. So I added the zipper, and then I also wanted to keep the inside seams clean and make sure they won't fray or anything, so I also ended up doing a serge around the inside seams to keep them together, just so that it'll also last longer as a dress. And then after that I hemmed everything. Hey guys, okay, so I just finished adding the zipper onto the side, and it zips all the way down, and then that's probably not the best way to show you, but yeah. And then I also added my, let's see if you guys can see that, that's my brand tag. And then I also added this other tag that I made, which I'm gonna start putting in my work, hopefully. Will it focus? Okay, it won't focus. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, you can't read it all, but since like self-love and like self-care is a very big thing for me, I like to add like reminders on a tag for like my clients, just as like a little note of love or something like that. So like a couple of them say, you are worthy, you are capable, you are valuable, stuff like that basically. So now I'm just doing the hem, and then that's it. And then I'm going to try it on a dress form so you guys can see how it looks, and then I'll probably have pictures at the end of this as well. So onto the hem. I also added my cards and my labels in the dress as well. So this is just like a little shopping card which just has like my brand on it, and then I also added, which you guys saw in the clip before this, my labels which have the affirmations and also my brand again. I also want to start investing in wash labels so I don't have to just tell people how they should take care of their clothing. So I need to do that next. But yeah, after this I just tried it on the mannequin just so I can make sure it fits well, and it looks really nice. So then I packaged everything and I got these really nice boxes. I also want to invest in getting some personalized tissue paper or also personalized boxes so that I can have more of like a personal touch to the packaging and everything. But this was basically the final result. I wasn't able to get the pictures in time for this video, but I probably will make it into a short, so definitely look out for those. But yeah, I really am happy about how this turned out, and I'm super excited for the next video because it's gonna be just as fun. So look out for that. And like I said earlier in this video, if you guys like my content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with anyone that you know that likes sewing videos, fashion videos, self-care, anything like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.